Listen closely, there's a problem. Modern science confirms glutathione is being depleted from our bodies on a regular basis, and you deserve to know exactly what's going on in your body. When free radicals overwhelm the body's antioxidant defenses, it leads to oxidative stress, which could lead to adverse health ramifications. Every second, approximately 3 million of your cells die, and 3 million cells are replicated. It's your choice. Do you want to replicate healthy cells or unhealthy cells? Do you want to delay the aging process or speed up the aging process? Prepare for a paradigm shift in anti-aging science. We're thrilled to unveil the world's most advanced breakthrough, uniting pharmaceutical medical-grade nanoglutathione with an unprecedented proprietary cellular nutrition blend engineered to rejuvenate, revitalize, and restore youthful vitality. Experience the magic of CTFO's newest science-backed wellness innovation breakthrough product. Introducing GlutaMyst. From the moment you twist and mist GlutaMyst onto the soft tissue of your mouth, your body will love the way the tiny nanobubbles are transported with lightning speed, passing into the body in as little as just 15 seconds. CTFO's latest 10x Pure discovery and innovation takes small amounts of highly bioavailable nanosized glutathione and combines it with our proprietary cellular nutrition blend. This technology supports optimizing absorption while delivering the micronutrients needed to magnify the beneficial effects on overall energy, vitality, and beauty. A technology that the wellness industry has never known before. Does nano size and surface area really matter? Absolutely! The surface area is important because all cell processes in the cell occur at the surface of the particle. The more particles there are, with greater surface area, translates into the cell receiving more of that supplement faster while using less energy. To dramatize the point, if we started with 100 particles equal to the size of the GlutaMyst 18mm bottle, nanosizing those particles down to 65 to 75 nanometers could deliver as many as 19,500 particles that your body can quickly and effectively use. Generally, the reason some other brands offer such large serving sizes of glutathione, 200 to 1,000 milligrams, is because of how much it's destroyed by the body, not because the body needs such a large amount. Your body is made up of over 37 trillion cells. Your eyes, nose, skin, heart, liver, just to name a few of your body parts, are all made up of cells. GlutaMyst supports the health of these cells, which becomes your tissues, which becomes your organs, and ultimately become you. Your life could be forever impacted by adding GlutaMyst to your daily routine. Imagine feeling your best, mind, body, and soul. Imagine sleeping your best. Again, imagine being sharp and clear with concise and focused mindfulness. Imagine feeling younger, turning back time, and feeling like your true, powerful self once again. Reimagine life's possibilities with GlutaMyst Cellular Nutrition Blend. Experience the extraordinary benefits supported by GlutaMyst and transform how you age. Order your bottle of GlutaMyst Cellular Nutrition Blend today. You have absolutely no risk with CTFO's 60-day, 100% performance-based empty bottle money-back guarantee. Be a part of history and learn why CTFO is the company where you can live a life of unlimited possibilities. Your journey to a revitalized life starts right now.